Hi, and welcome back to another video for Your Soul Evolution. My name is Erin, and I help people to evolve spiritually and to awaken to new perspectives. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to check the description box. I have created a free guided MP3 meditation that will help to raise your vibration. In today's video, I wanted to share my personal top tips for attracting your soulmate. Make sure you stay to the very end, as one of these tips may be the missing link that you have been looking for. The first tip that I have is to make a very detailed list. This is setting your clear intentions as to what attributes of this partner that you are specifically looking for. You can get as detailed as you like, down to the hair color, the eye color, the body weight. That's completely up to you, but be very specific and set a clear and focused intention. Also remember that you want to have things on that list that you're going to share in common with that person. You're not going to want to create a list of things that that person has that you do not have, because that is going to create a big resistance in trying to align to that person. If you're trying to attract a partner with the six-pack abs and you are a couch potato and you haven't exercised in years, that is not going to be impossible. It's going to take longer to align to the vibration of that kind of person. This is literally placing your order to the universe. When you write these things down, the universe immediately starts to go into action to bring a person into your alignment with all of those things. The universe is going to be looking over this list like, okay, and what side would you like with that? Do you want brown or white gravy with those mashed potatoes? Like, it is literally your order. Be as specific as you can be. Setting the intention is setting the outcome. And when you set an intention, you increase the probability of that outcome actually happening for you. If you're just putting it out to the universe that you want to attract a soulmate, which is fine, but when you're really specific, it's just going to align you to someone that you're going to be 100% compatible with. You're going to want to imagine and to visualize yourself as if this person is already in your life. Remember that the law of attraction is not giving you what you want. It is giving you who you are being. It's all about the vibration of what you're putting out. Quantum physics has already shown that we're constantly surrounded by all these different parallel realities, and that person that you're looking for already exists. It is a matter of aligning to that person. So you're not creating this person, you are simply aligning your own vibration to be on the same vibration as that person. If you're focused on your desire and your wanting of that person, you're going to be manifesting from more of a 3D paradigm, because that's coming from ego, the wanting and the desiring and the needing. Whatever you're putting out, you're going to attract a person with that same mindset, in the same state of consciousness that you are having. So think about it this way. If currently in your life you're depressed, you don't exercise, you don't get outside, you don't do anything that brings up your vibration, you are going to attract a person with those same characteristics. You're going to attract someone else who is depressed, low vibrational, because that is what is matching your vibrational frequency. If you want to attract a long-term relationship, then you need to make sure that you are putting out your best possible vibration, that you are acting as if this person is already in your life. You must be putting out self-love. You must first love yourself before anyone else can love you. When you are putting out self-love, you are going to attract someone who also loves themselves. And then that is going to be a healthy, balanced relationship, because you are attracting from your current state of being. Think about it. Have you attracted people in your life previously when you were in a dark place, when you were depressed and you were negative and you were in a super low vibrational state of being, and you attracted a partner and then it was just chaos and misery, that is because you attracted someone in your same vibrational level, and it's never going to end well. You must focus on your self-love, keeping your vibration as high as possible, and that is going to attract someone else whose vibration is also as high as possible. You may need to do a reality check and reflect on what kind of energy am I putting out right now? You know, what kind of vibe am I putting out there? Because if you're putting out a low vibe, that's what you're going to get back. Act as if this person is already observing you and watching you and a part of your life. What are those things that you would be doing if this person was already a part of your life? That's the vibration that you need to be on the same frequency with. As if he or she is already there in your life, what would you be doing? You also need to make sure that you're following any intuition. If you feel really drawn to go out to a certain place, even though you're really not feeling it, but there's something like nagging within you that's like, go, go, go. Make sure you are paying attention to that, because that could be the universe trying to line everything up. It's hard to meet someone if you're just sitting at home. Try to get out. If you're an introverted person, I'm not saying go out every single night actively looking for this person, but I'm saying get in tune with your intuition. And if you just have an overwhelming feeling that you need to go a certain place, then go, because that could be it. Also, this is probably the only time you will ever hear me promoting watching TV in any way, but I do believe that it can be very helpful to watch those cheesy romance, love story movies. That will get those emotions going that you need to attract that soulmate to you. The Heart Math Institute has already shown that the heart energy is thousands of times more powerful than that of your head. So anytime you are adding your heart energy into something, then you are increasing the probability of that. Your brain does not know the difference between what is real and what you are imagining. This is proven. So whenever you are watching those movies and you get those emotions coming up and you're feeling good and you're feeling hopeful and you're feeling optimistic, then that becomes real, because your brain does not know the difference. So you then are aligning your energy to that, to really, truly experiencing that in real life. It puts you into the vibration where that can happen for you. You can align yourself to the same kind of love that Noah and Allie found. Also, make sure that you are not focusing so much on the label of soulmate. Anytime we are attaching ourselves to labels, we are keeping ourselves limited to a lower consciousness. And this goes for everything in your life. If you're labeling yourself a certain way, if you're labeling others a certain way, if you meet someone and they have most of what's on your list and you may be like, but I don't know if that's my soulmate, make sure that you don't become too attached to that label. Try to detach from any kind of labels. So just remember that the person that you're looking for already exists. It is simply a matter of aligning your vibrational frequency to that vibrational frequency. And that the law of attraction does not give you what you want or you desire. It is giving you who you are being and the vibration that you are putting out. The desire and the wanting is from your ego. But if you really want to manifest from a higher paradigm and from a higher state of consciousness, then make sure that you are putting out that self-love and being happy with where you currently are, and knowing that this person will complement who you are, but that they are not going to define who you are. So make your detailed list, place your order with the universe, set your clear intention, Visualize, imagine yourself with this person. Embrace the emotions that you would be feeling with this person in your life. That is the most important part because your heart energy is so powerful. Go into a deep visualization where you are truly experiencing the feelings that are coming with this person being in your life. Follow any intuition that's telling you to go somewhere. Let go of the label of soulmate. Get on Netflix, Amazon Prime, watch those love stories. Get that heart energy pumping and flowing. And keep in mind that you are attracting someone from your current state of consciousness. So do that reality check and see what vibe you are currently putting out and if you would want to attract someone else that's putting out the same vibration as you. If you know that your vibration is not good right now and it's heavy and thick because you're depressed and you're anxious and you have all this stuff going on, do you really want to attract someone with those same things going on? Make sure you reflect on that and get yourself first where you need to be in order to attract someone that is going to be in a higher vibrational frequency. I hope this video helps you. If you know someone who would benefit from it, please share it. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you on the next video.